Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this question. It was asked in JEE Advance. It's a paragraph type question where a paragraph has been given to you, and then these two questions has been asked, out of which only one is correct, and we have to find the only correct combination in the first one and the only incorrect combination in the second one. So the essence of the question is to match this 1 2 3 4 with P Q R S T and U. So we have given two circles, C1 and C2. The equation is given. So the radius of C1 is under root of 9, which is 3. Radius of C2 is under root of 16, which is 4. And radius of circle C3 is r square. Also it is given that C1 and C2 intersect at x and y. And on C3 we have three conditions: that the center of C3 is collinear with C1 C2, C1 C2 both lie inside C3, and C3 touches C1 at M and C2 at N, and a line through x and y will intersect C3 at Z and W, and a common tangent of C1 and C3 is a tangent to the parabola x square is equals to 8 alpha y. So first we will draw the scenario, what the scenario is. So before drawing scenario, we can write the equation of circle C1, that is x square plus y square is equals to 9. So the radius is 3 and the center is 0, 0. Another circle C2 is given as x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equals to 16. So the radius is 4 unit and the center is 3, 4. Another circle C3 is given as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. So the radius is r and center is h, k. Now we draw this circle. So with center at origin, I can draw circle C1. So C1 would be a circle like this. So this is C1, whose one point is 3, 0, and another circle C2, which is at a distance 3, 4, can be drawn like this. Okay, and it is given that the center of C3 is collinear with C1 and C2. So collinear means all three centers lie on the same line. So I can join these two centers, so I get a line. So the center will lie on somewhere on this line, that it's denoted with L. Two more condition is given that C1 and C2 lie inside C3 and C3 touches C1 at M and C2 at N. So if I draw a circle, let's say in this manner, so I have a circle in which C1 and C2 lies inside it, but it is not touching it. So to touch this circle, I want to shrink this circle. So this point will touch at this and this point will touch at this. So I can get a circle now. In this fashion. Okay, so let me erase this. So this is the condition that I am having. So this point is N, this point is M. So what is Mn? mn is diameter of C3. Okay, and this point is x, this point is y. So I know the coordinate of y as 3, 0, but I do not know the coordinate of x. Moreover, if we join x and y, it cuts C3 at z and w, and a common tangent is also given. So this is the common tangent of C3, and x is equals to 8 alpha y. And I am writing what we need to find, that is 2h plus k, the first expression. The second expression is the length of zw by length of xy. The third expression, area of triangle mzn by the area of triangle zmw. And the fourth thing we have to find is the value of alpha. Okay, now I know the equation of this line L. So the equation of line L is y passing through origin, so y minus 0 is the slope of the line, which is 4 by 3, that is obtained by these two center C1 and C2, and then x minus 0. So y is 4 by 3x is the equation of line. Okay, now what? Now let's say, if suppose this is the center, let's say if this is the center, denote it with P. If P is center of C3, so radius of C3 will be R, and that would be mn by 2. But we do not know the coordinates of m and n. So how do we find this out? So for that we will use this concept, that if I have a point x1, y1 whose slope I know, and if at any distance r I need to find point x, y, so x is r cos theta plus x1, and y is r sin theta plus y1. So similarly, if I want to get the coordinate of n, I can write from 3, 4. We know the radius now. So the radius of C2 is 4 unit, the radius of C1 is 3 unit. So the coordinate of n can be written as 3 plus 3 plus 4 into cos of theta, and 4 plus 4 into sin of theta, and tan theta for the line is 4 by 3 for y is equals to 4 by 3x. Okay, so sin theta is 4 by 5, cos theta is 3 by 5. So the coordinate of m can be written as 4 into 3 by 5, 4 plus 4 into 4 by 5. So the coordinate of m is 27 by 5 and 36 by 5. Similarly, I can write the coordinate of m. So coordinate of m is 0 from origin. So I can write 0 minus 3 cos theta and 0 minus 3 sin theta. So this I can write as minus 9 by 5 and minus 12 by 5. Okay, so what is the distance mn? So the distance mn square is 27 by 5 plus 9 by 5 square, 36 by 5 plus 12 by 5 square. So that is 36 by 5 square plus 48 by 5 square. So mn square is 9 square. Don't write 9 square, write 12 square, 3 by 5 square plus 4 by 5 square, that is 12 square. So mn is 12. This is the diameter. Now what is the radius of C3? Radius of C3 is r, that is mn by 2, which is 6. So now I get the radius of C3, which is 6 unit. Now I have to find what is the center P. Okay, so the coordinate of P is from midpoint theorem, the x coordinate of m, the x coordinate of m divided by 2, the y coordinate of m, y coordinate of m divided by 2. So just add the coordinate. You can write 27 minus 9 by 5 divided by 2, 36 minus 12 by 5 divided by 2. So the coordinate of P is 18 by 10 and 24 by 10. It can be reduced to 9 by 5 and 12 by 5. And the center coordinate of C3 is h comma k, and that is 9 by 5 and 12 by 5. So h is 9 by 5, k is 12 by 5. So the first question is, what is 2h plus k? So that is 18 by 5 and 12 by 5, that is 35 by 5, which is 6. So let's see. So 1 will match with P. Now the second is the length of ZW by length of XY. So the next we have to find length of ZW by length of XY. Okay, we know the coordinate of P. So let's this line. So the equation of line is ZW is what? See, the ZW line is perpendicular and let it meet at D. Okay, so I can write it is passing through 3, 0, x minus 3. So 4y is minus 3x plus 9 is the equation of line, and y is equals to 4 by 3x is the equation of line L. Okay, now if you solve these two equation, you will get 16 by 3x is equals to minus 3x plus 9. So x is 9 into 3 by 25, that is 27 by 25. And similarly y comes out to be 4 by 3 into x, that is 36 by 25. So I get the coordinate of D as 27 by 25 and 36 by 25. Now what is OD and OF? So OD is under root of 27 by 25 square plus 36 by 25 square. So 25 बाहर आ जाएगा. You can write it as 9 square into 3 square plus 9 square into 4 square. So this is 9 by 25 into 5, that is 9 by 5. Similarly, what is OP? OP, you get the coordinate of P. So what is the coordinate of P? Is 9 by 5, 12 by 5. So OP is under root 9 by 5 whole square, 12 by 5 whole square. So this is 3 square into 3 square plus 3 square into 4 square. So this is 3 by 5 into 5. That is 3. Now see OX, this radius is 3, and OP, this is 6. So XD square, OXD, let's take a triangle OXD. So in OXD, XD square is OX square and OD square minus कर देंगे. So XD square is OX square minus OD square. OX square is 3 square and OD square is 9 square by 5 square. So take 9 common, it's 1 minus 9 by 5 square. So XD square is 9 into 16 by 25. So XD comes out to be 3 into 4 by 5, that is 12 by 5. This is XD. Now take the triangle PDZ. So here XZD is square, that will be PZ square minus PD square. Okay, so PZ square is, PZ is the radius, so that is 6 square. PD square is OP minus OD whole square, so that is 6 square minus OP. OP is 3 and OD is 9 by 5 whole square, so that is 36 minus 6 by 5 whole square, that is 36 minus 36 by 25. So ZD square is 36, 1 minus 1 by 25, that is 36 into 24 by 25. So ZD is 6 by 5 root 24. Now see, ZW is the chord, XY is also a chord. So ZW by XY is same as XD by ZD, because XY is 2 times XD and ZW is 2 times ZD. So I can write the length of ZW by XY is same as 2 times ZD by 2 times XD, and that is ZD by XD. So ZD is 6 by 5 root 24 and XD is 12 by 5, that is root 24 by 2. So ZW by XY is root 6. Okay, so now let's see with which it will match. So the length is root 6. Now third question is, what is the area of triangle MZN and area of triangle ZMW? So area of triangle MZN can be written as MN into ZD, if this point is D, and ZMW, it is MB into ZW. So this is half MN ZD by half MD is MO plus OD into ZW is 2 times ZD. So this is MN by 2 times MO plus OD. So MN is the diameter, which is 12 by 2. MO is 3, the radius of the circle C1, and OD we find out. OD is 9 by 5. So I can write that 9 by 5. So area of triangle MZN by area of triangle ZMW is 6 by 24 by 5, that is 5 by 4. So let's see. So area is 5 by 4. Next, the value of alpha. So this common tangent is also tangent to x square is equals to 8 alpha y. So I have a parabola, x square is equals to 8 alpha y. So what is dy by dx? That is x, that is 2x by 8 alpha or x by 4 alpha. Now if you see the figure, this is 90 degree. Why? Because it is the radius and at tangent it makes 90 degree. So the slope of the common tangent is slope of common tangent M, that will be minus 3 by 4, since M1 M2 is minus 1 for perpendicular lines, and if I can write M into 4 by 3 is minus 1, so M is minus 3 by 4, and it is passing through this point M, and the coordinate of M is minus 9 by 5 minus 12 by 5. So I can write the equation of common tangent. So that is y plus 12 by 5 is equals to minus 3 by 4 x plus 9 by 5. Now if you solve this equation and this equation, you can write y as x square by 8 alpha plus 12 by 5 is minus 3 by 4x minus 27 by 20. So x square by 8 alpha plus 3 by 4x plus 12 by 5 plus 27 by 20 is equals to 0. Now since it is a common tangent, so you will get only one root, or you can say a double root. So for that, d is equals to 0. 3 by 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 8 alpha into 12 by 5 plus 27 by 20 is 0. Basically b square minus 4ac is 0. So it is 9 by 16 is equals to 1 by 2 alpha, and this is 20, 48 plus 27. So alpha is 16 by 2 into 9 into 75 by 20. So this is 4 into 75 by 2 into 9 into 5. This is 4 into 15 by 2 into 9. So alpha is 2 into 5 by 3, which is 10 by 3. Let's see. Alpha will match with 10 by 3. Now we have been asked which of the following is the only correct option. So 1 is matching with P, so these two are incorrect. 2 is matching with Q, it is correct, and 2 is matching with T. So the only correct option is C, and only incorrect combination. 1 matches with P is correct, 4 matches with U is correct, 3 matches with R is correct, so D is incorrect. So in this way you can solve this question, and various concepts you can easily find out in this question. So basically the concept of circle, the concept of straight lines, the concept of midpoint theorem, the concept of distance formula are used in this question. Hope you like this video. Do share and subscribe.